Hey guys, my name is Claudio and I'm with iFixGalaxy. The guys and I wanted to build a gaming PC, top of the line product, tempered glass housing and everything. Let's check it out.
No, the controller is plugged into USB.
Let's check out the final product. Keep in mind, if you need any cell phone, tablet, or computer repair, we have two locations in Brevard. One on Wickham Road between Parkway and Post Road. It's between the college and the Wickham Park. And the other location is on 182 and Babcock on the northeast corner, that new shopping center where Tijuana Flats is. Let's check it out.